Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online school. Let's start our English lesson. Today our topic is at the seaside. Let's start with a song. Before we listen to it, let's look at some new words. Sing. For example, sing a song. Next one, drive. For example, drive a car. Swim. Swim in the sea. And the last one is dive. For example, dive into the water. Now let's listen to a song. Then we have to match the people with actions. Let's start.
He can't swim, she can't dive, we can't sing, and they can't drive.
Now let's do the exercise. First one. He can't swim. Which picture matches this expression? This one? No, it's a girl. He can't swim. Yes. Next one. She can't dive. Good. They can't sing. This one? No, they can't sing. And the last one? They can't drive. Good job. Now let's listen to the song again.
He can't swim, she can't dive, we can't sing, and they can't drive. Dive, swim, drive, sing, no one can do everything. He can't swim, she can't dive, we can't sing, and they can't drive. Dive, swim, drive, sing, no one can do everything. He can't swim, she can't dive, we can't sing, and they can't drive. No one can do everything.
Now let's look at some new words.
Dive. Row a boat. Climb a tree. Swim fast. Make coffee. Fly a kite. Jump high. Draw a horse.
Now let's do the exercise with these new words. Look at the picture and choose the right expression. Number 1. Make coffee, row a boat, jump high, fly a kite, dive, swim fast, draw a horse, or climb a tree. What can you see at this picture? Dive. Well done.
Dive.
Next, picture number 2. Make coffee, row a boat, jump high, fly a kite, dive, swim fast, draw a horse, or climb a tree. Do you think fly a kite? No. Well done.
Row a boat.
Picture number 3. Make coffee, row a boat, jump high, fly a kite, dive, swim fast, draw a horse, or climb a tree. Well done. Climb a tree.
Climb a tree.
Next. Make a coffee, row a boat, jump high, fly a kite, dive, swim fast, draw a horse, or climb a tree. Jump high. Excellent.
Jump high.
Picture number 5. Make a coffee, row a boat, jump high, fly a kite, dive, swim fast, draw a horse, or climb a tree. Swim fast.
Swim fast.
Next. What's the boy doing? Make coffee, row a boat, jump high, fly a kite, dive, swim fast, draw a horse, or climb a tree. Draw a horse? No. Make coffee.
Make coffee.
Next. Make coffee, row a boat, jump high, fly a kite, dive, swim fast, draw a horse, or climb a tree. Fly a kite.
Fly a kite.
And the last picture. Make coffee, row a boat, jump high, fly a kite, dive, swim fast, draw a horse, or climb a tree. Yes, draw a horse.
Draw a horse.
Well done. Now let's do the next exercise. Listen to what Laura and Bill can do.
Hello and welcome to Radio Wow. Today our program is called What Can You Do? It's a beautiful day here in Windsor. I'm with 2 kids here at the Windsor swimming pool. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Laura.
And who are you?
Hello, my name is Bill.
Well, Laura, what can you do?
I can ride a horse.
A horse? Bill, can you ride a horse?
No, I can't. I'm scared of horses.
Now let's choose. Who can ride a horse? Laura or Bill? Yes, Laura.
Yoo-hoo.
Let's continue listening.
But I can row a boat. I can row very well.
How about you, Laura? Can you row a boat?
No, I can't.
What can Bill do? Yes, he can row a boat.
Yoo-hoo.
Let's continue.
But I can climb a tree. I'm good at climbing. Oh, and I just remembered. I can draw very well. I can draw houses and trees and cats and horses.
Good, good. Very good. But can you draw a car?
A car? Yes, of course I can.
Well,
Laura says she can do 2 more things. What are they? climb a tree,
Yoo-hoo.
and draw a car. Well done.
Yoo-hoo.
Well, Laura can draw a car, but can you drive a car, Bill?
Drive a car? No, of course I can't. I'm only 11 years old.
Oh, sorry, that's right. Of course you can't, but can you swim?
Yes, I can. I'm very good at swimming. And I can dive too.
How about you, Laura? Can you swim and dive?
Well, I can swim, but I can't dive.
Yet.
Yes, I can't dive yet, but maybe next week. How about you? Can you swim?
Who, me? Sure. Yes, why? Oh, no. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Well, that's all from Radio Wow. And what can you do? Can you help me, please? Oh, dear.
Okay.
Let's finish the exercise. What else can Bill do? He says he can swim
Yoo-hoo.
and dive.
Yoo-hoo.
Can Laura swim and dive? Yes, she can swim.
Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo.
But she can't dive yet. Well done. And the last exercise for today. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences with the right expressions. Now let's read the expressions. Write in a notebook. Dive. Eat. Ride a horse. Fly a kite. Climb a tree. Play the guitar. Read. Let's start. Look at the pictures. What can you do at the restaurant? I can read. No, this is not the right answer. I can eat. Now it's correct. But I can't ride a horse. Well done. Next. What can you do in the swimming pool? I can dive. But I can't read. Next. What can you do at home? I can climb a tree? No, this is not the right answer. I can play the guitar. But I can't fly a kite. Next. What can you do at school? I can write in a notebook, but I can't climb a tree. Great job! This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.